Onions have many uses in culinary and as homemade remedies. We have seen a lot of recipes that use onions here on the channel for lowering blood pressure, boosting the immune system, and much more. Did you know that you can even use the peels of an onion? You probably throw them away. Few people know how many minerals and beneficial compounds for our health are found in onion peels. Did you know that? Some benefits of onion peel tea are lowering blood pressure, preventing obstruction of arteries, cardiovascular and coronary diseases. This tea also prevents inflammation, especially in the stomach and throat, which helps with colds and flu. Did you know onion peel tea can even prevent urinary tract infections? This is good news for women who usually suffer from problems caused by viruses and bacteria. In addition to all these things, onion peel tea also controls cholesterol and weight gain and even helps with eye health. Write down the ingredients to make onion peel tea. Peels of 2 onions, 1 quart of water, honey to taste for sweetening, optional. Boil the water, add the onion peels, close the pot and let it infuse for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey to taste to sweeten the tea and drink it, preferably while warm. This infusion is highly beneficial for your health, since the onion peel concentrates most of the minerals and beneficial compounds that our body needs. Try it and then share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.